Welcome to the eNews for St. Richard's Episcopal Church in Winter Park, Florida. I am Dale Truscott, interim priest in charge until our rector, Allison Harity, returns from sabbatical on September 1st. This week we host the Celestial Voices of Barbados in concert this Sunday, July 30th at 4 p.m. in our sanctuary. Tickets are still available on Eventbrite through the link in the announcements in this eNews. Tickets are not available at the door. August 4, next Friday, we help serve dinner for the Coalition for the Homeless Feeding Ministry. Pans will be available for you to make pasta casserole this Sunday after both services at the Red Booth. We need 25 casseroles by 2 p.m. Friday, August the 4th. You may put casseroles in the refrigerator in the big kitchen beginning Wednesday. Let Me Introduce Myself continues on Sunday mornings at 9:30 a.m. in the parish hall. Come and learn the stories of the clergy that volunteer to serve at our church. Our next Family Promise Host Week is August 13 through 20 at the Family Promise Center on Clay Street. We still need 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. evening shift volunteers to visit with families and help serve the dinner, and we need these on Monday, Thursday, or Friday. We also need the Saturday morning shift from 8 to noon. Contact information for Kay Wolf is in the print announcement. St. Richard's Schola is in need of singers, especially tenors. Do you know that the vast majority of sacred music written in the Western world is for 4 parts: soprano, alto, tenor, and bass? The Anglican chant psalms that we all love are written for these 4 parts. Please speak with Dr. Carl Maltzby about a brief audition if you're willing to sing, or if you know somebody who might be interested, please contact them and send them to him. I maintain regular contact with Reverend Allison during her sabbatical. We try to keep contact by others at a minimum so that her time away is really time away. This Sunday, Allison leaves for a week's visit to Cuba. She has promised to send us a report of that visit when she returns. Services this week are Holy Eucharist Rite 1 at 8 a.m. on Sunday, Holy Eucharist Rite 2 at 10:30 a.m., and there will be no worship in the sanctuary at 5 because of the concert. See you at one or more of these. Thanks for listening.